Hello everyone, Sachin this side from Bennett University. Me and my teammate Anushka are creating this RFID-based attendance system for our project hacathon. Initially we have created this door lock system for understanding how RFID works. So here is our hardware setup. This is RFID RC522 for scanning the card or key. This is the Arduino Uno board, where we are uploading the code. And this is the servo motor, which will indicate us whether the door lock is opened when card has been given an authorized access, else the lock will close. So now, we will scan the key first. It has authorized access, so the lock will be open and see the current status of door lock. Now if we will scan the card, the access has been denied by the system, so the lock has been closed. So this was our overall project, and later we will implement the RFID-based attendance system.